Okay, so today's prompt, we're going to talk about assessing resumes against the job description. And I'm also going to give you kind of a behind the scenes look at how we come up with some of these prompts and the sample materials we need in order to create them. So, what we're going to try to do is assess 10 different resumes against the job description. So, in order to do that, I want to use all sample data and not expose anybody's actual information to the internet at large. So, the first thing I've done here is ask ChatGPT to give me a sample job description for a level IT technician here. So, it gave me a description here for a level 1 IT technician. You'll see we go through it. It's got qualifications, responsibilities. I didn't do anything to edit this whatsoever. And then my next prompt was, hey, can you give me 10 sample different resumes for a position using fictional people with varying skills? Output should be 10 different PDFs. So then you see we get 10 fake people here with their resumes. And then we get to our final prompt here, which is actually what we want to provide as the content here is, can you rank each of those resumes against the sample job description that we created above? So this would be your prompt. If you had a job description and actual resumes, you would upload the job description and the resumes in the ChatGPT and provide this prompt. And then you would get this output. So we asked it to rank them against the job description, output the top 5 with a 1-paragraph justification for why it ranked them as high as it did, and then auto rejection templates for the people that didn't meet the job description as well. So you see as it went through here, it did a great job at ranking these, gave them all a score out of 12, which it made up on its own. I didn't ask for that. And you see it ranked all our fake people with a score out of 12, and it gave us auto rejection templates for each of these users. So this is a great way for you to speed up assessing of resumes as you're posting jobs out there. So this is a great way to display how that IT can just work.